everyone. Welcome to Token 2049. And I'm Regina, and I will be on stage for about 15 minutes and share global tokenization and the use case for CBIT, or Corebit as we call it, our token. Before heading on to sharing what we do and what our vision is, let's give you a little background of what we've achieved so far. Planet IX, the #1 game on the Polygon network. Google it if you want. It's not just me pumping these numbers up. They have had a record high of transactions on the Polygon network with over 10 million NFTs minted and 100 million NFT transfers. Built on Polygon, they have partnered up with amazing legacy industry leaders like Chainlink and Superfluid for their token dissemination. Now is the generation for play to earn. We've built this amazing mechanism where users are incentivized to play a game and earn tokens as rewards. We included a gamut of financial infrastructure within it, like staking, trading, farming, making it even more exciting for users to play our game. No wonder we were #1 on Polygon network. We almost changed the scape when it came to gamification on the blockchain. With this success, we will enter this era where we would tokenize $3 trillion worth of assets that are tokenized. And reports say that by 2030, we will see $10 trillion worth of assets that are being tokenized. That's a 3x in about just 7 years. Or rather, I'd say 5 years now because we are in 2025. So we thought that we have to capitalize this big gap that's going to be the future of, I'd say, also finance as well as tokenization. We are building these amazing Web3 products that are cutting edge, and you'll know why in a minute. We have built the C-Link wallet. It's a custodial wallet because our members are Web2 users. Web2 users might not remember things that we Web3 users remember, like seed phrase, and not to share it with users. These users need a little help. So we've built this amazing custodial wallet that helps users transact on over 20 plus EVM blockchain networks, supporting those tokens as well. Next up is C-Link Chain. The amazing thing about this is we are the very few people who've built a rollup on Arbitrum. So as a layer 3 chain, trust me, we are hacking the blockchain trilemma. We are decentralized, we are stable, we have high throughput, and we have an amazing token as our gas fee, that's Corebit. In the works also, we have an exchange that will help users trade and sell effectively in a seamless way where they don't have to worry too much about how to get onboarded because we are the #1 onboarding platform. So Corebit, let's talk about it. This is our heart, our soul, and the fuel to our C-Link chain. This custom token is just not an ordinary custom token. Users can stake, participate in governance, adding real utility as we speak in the ecosystem. We incentivize users with rewards. They are taking their baby steps in entering this Web3 era, so make it even more rewarding for them to be part of our ecosystem. In the broader scheme of things, we're looking at cross-border payments that would let users participate from countries across countries in an instant and effortless and absolutely cost-effective. On our chain as well, we will include capabilities of other applications, other marketers who want to build their own applications that would be available on C-Link chain as well. You're asking us, okay, you're building these great products, but what are you actually achieving by this? We have this massive vision. We want to not only incentivize those early adopters who knew about Web3, but all those who don't. We believe in equity versus elitism, where we want to help these users participate. We want these users to stake. We want them to understand how DeFi works. We make this super easy, and we break these barriers of financial inclusion. We want to make people more financially free. We are decentralized. We're moving towards decentralization. That's the whole purpose of Web3. And this is ingrained in our company as well as in the products that we build. So like Eunice mentioned, we have over 1 million users, and we want to empower them. We want to give them control of their assets so that they know what they can do. We're going to be the largest engines, as we are the largest onboarding platform for users worldwide. So in wrapping this up, I'd probably say that we are just not a blockchain company, but we are moving and riding the waves of change. How do we want to do this? I've briefly explained, but I want to tell you that now, if you haven't been in crypto before, now is the best time to start. Check out our products, check out our chain. We've had actually, let me share some metrics that I recently got from our data team. We've had a record high transactions over 24 hours of 24,000 transactions on our blockchain. It's buzzing, things are moving quickly. We have more users, more power to Corbett holders. Come and onboard with us on our journey. Be a part of the future, and we will take you along. That's my time. Thank you, everyone, for being a lovely audience.